saw Cinderella in a party dress, but she was looking for a nightgown. I saw the devil wrapping up his hands, he's getting ready for the showdown. I saw the ending when I turned the page. I threw my money and I ran away when we were young. Stormmaker says it ain't so bad, Dreammaker's gonna make you mad. Spaceman says everybody look down, it's all in your mind. Started with a low light, next thing I knew they ripped me from my bed, and then they took my blood type, left a strange impression in my head. Now he takes off her dress, now letting me go. Oh, somebody told me you had a boyfriend who looked like a girlfriend that I had in February of last year. It's not confidential, I got potential for rushing and rushing around. Are we human? Or are we dancer? My sign is vital, my hands are cold, for reasons